how to print Excel sheet in PDF format. So let's start this Excel sheet, and here I'm going to print this data in PDF format. To print this data, just click on the File tab, then click on the Print option, and you can see the print preview here showing. The second way, I just click on the back button, and here you can use the shortcut key Control P, and same the preview is showing. Okay. After that, in printer option, just click on this drop down arrow and just select the Microsoft Print to PDF. Just click on it and just click on the print option. And here your documents is saved. So here the save dialog box is open. The save as a file tab, the PDF document is automatically selected. You just enter here the file name. So I just enter here the file name, data 02/2025. Okay, then you can select here the different folder also to save these documents. I just select my downloads folders and just click, okay. And I open here my downloads folder. So I open here the downloads, click on the date modified for recent document. So this is a recent document I just saved in PDF. Just double click on here, you see documents, its data is print as PDF. Okay. So this is the way you can print the Excel sheet in PDF format. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.